Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the Minecraft error code drowned on PC. And let's get started. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to find Minecraft on the desktop. I'm just going to use a random app as my example, but it's the same for everything. So just go ahead and right click on the app. You're going to click on properties. From properties, you're going to bring this over in the middle, and you're going to select the compatibility tab. Now from here, you're going to check two boxes. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows, whatever the latest Windows is for you, and run this program as an administrator. Now once you do those two things, you should go ahead and hit apply and then hit OK. And you can go ahead and run Minecraft, but now if you can't find it on your desktop, what you can do is click on the Windows icon, type in Minecraft launcher or whatever Minecraft, and run as an administrator from here. Now once you do those two things and you can run Minecraft, you'll notice that the error code has been fixed. And another thing you guys can always do is simply just restart your PC as well. Now once you do all of these steps, you should be good to go and the error code should be gone. So yeah, that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.